Hey, having tested a huge number of services from the best credit reports category, I have selected the best one for myself. It is one of the most popular and well-known services available on the market. In this short video, I will reveal to you a few secrets that will be useful to you. Let's not waste time and get started.
Identity Guard is the app that solves half of the identity theft protection equation. The app includes a wide range of powerful features, including the ability to consult with a professional to help you restore your identity. The big problem is that Identity Guard tends to more easily provide more detailed information about how an application can help you and what it does. It all starts with a website that is not extensive enough. It looks like it was created by a marketing company in the form of an online brochure. Identity Guard offers two basic plans for individuals or families. There are three main levels. The value plan does not include an actual credit rating. This is one of the most unique features offered here. Some anti-theft apps will track your credit but will not actually provide a full credit rating. To get a credit rating, you need to upgrade to a total or premium plan. One problem is that the website explains these features with the most expensive mid-tier plan, although it is more expensive. Most often, the most expensive plans are placed on the far right in a tiered structure. It costs $7.50 a month and offers basic functionality for monitoring the dark web, blocking phishing attacks, or warning about unsafe sites. With Total Plan, you get access to address tracking, tax refund, alerts, and credit bureau monitoring in addition to your credit history. Identity Card includes monitoring of 3 credit bureaus. With similar applications like Identity Force, simpler plans include monitoring only 1 credit bureau. At the premium level, you have access to a complete credit rating report and social media monitoring features. Identity Guard is not the app for you if you want a detailed description of each feature, explained in detail, and an obvious dashboard that walks you through each feature. Again, it looks like the marketing department was involved. The website has notices about IBM Watson and a large logo on the dashboard as an additional reminder, although the paying customer may not realize that the super intelligent mainframe is operating on your behalf. IBM Watson is likely to match some personality tracking information and alert you to issues, but what matters to the client is that it works, not why. The app also focuses on credit ratings and credit monitoring, which is valuable in terms of personal protection. However, there is not much information about criminal activity or fraud, banking or credit card problems, or actual identity theft, other than information reported through a credit agency. In addition, the interface does not contain enough tips and instructions to guide you through the process and understand the dangers. With Identity Guard, you get access to a fairly standard set of monitoring and tracking tools, most of which are designed for those who care about their credit history. The only significant exception to this is that the top 2 tiers involve an actual credit rating check, which can help you determine if there is suspicious activity and then take action on it. In terms of basic functions, the app alerts you to actively relate it to your bank account and other personal information. For example, if there was suspicious phone activity when someone tried to use your bank account. The app provides expert advice to help you complete any fraud recovery or elimination steps. Identity Guard does not mark whether they are licensed private investigators, which is a core feature of Identity Force.